Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert any symbol in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show insert any symbol in Google Sheets. Now I'm going to the extension option. Now click for a add-ons option. Now click for get add-ons. Now for click. Then for writing. Now search bar from special characters. Now for search, now enter. Then click for a special character option. Now for click. Then click for install option. Now click for continue. Then select for my Gmail. Now click for a continue option. Now click for allow. Now wait for end. Now click for done. Now click for close. Now going to the extension option. Now click for a special starter option. Now click for insert option. Then waiting for it. Finally, then we show special characters. Now select from a shape. Now for click, then shape from a large. Now click for font large option. Now click for it. Now again shape from insert. Now click for shape. Now for click, then shape is a size. Now going to the font size option. Now insert size. That's it. Then I show insert any symbol in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.